Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and I have finally got a new camera. So this is the Camera S100 and I got it on eBay again, starting cheap just to prove that you can start very cheap on vlogging and building a personal brand. So here I am opening it and I'm very impressed with this camera. Straight away I'm going to tell you, I'm quite impressed. I do like it. I paid £70 for it, so it's not that bad. Here you can see I've just got the manual out. One side's English, the other side is French, I think. I am not entirely sure, but I can't read it, so yeah. So getting into the box, first of all it gave me this little pouch, and I'm pretty sure it's waterproof. It seems like it's leather, but inside's really soft. Fair, so obviously it can't scratch the lens or anything like that, so that's quite cool, the pouch. I would have preferred the bag maybe, but the pouch will do for now, because obviously when I put it in my backpack it could get damaged. And here it is, here's the camera. So it was in very good packaging with the styrofoam or foam, whatever it is. And then here's the camera. The first time I look at it, and I was quite impressed. It's a lot bulkier and bigger than the camera I've been using recently. But that does not bother me because I'm trying to get better and I need a better camera, and here it is. So here I am looking at the mic port and USB-C, where you can charge the camera if you've got the battery already in. And once again I'm very impressed. Here it is a bit closer up. I've got more settings on this camera. On my new camera I can take photos and record like my old one. But as well, I can do slow motion videos, time-lapse videos, I can have timers on the photos and videos so I can wait 10 seconds, 5 seconds. So yeah, it's just really going to improve my videos hopefully. I don't know where I'd use some of the stuff, but I'm still happy that I have got the option of time-lapse if I wanted to do some different type of content. Here I'm just looking through another instruction manual that just tells you about the charge and what's exactly in the camera and what you can do with it, so that was quite cool to read through. So getting into the box here, first thing to pull out is a neck strap that can easily come attached if I want to quickly get my camera in a different angle and it's wrapped around my neck, so that's quite good to have. I haven't got that with the other camera, but I will be able to use it now. Then a microfiber cloth just to clean the lens and stuff, always comes in handy, even for your phone to be honest, so I'll keep that because it will come in handy. Now here's the lens. This is probably the reason I bought this camera specifically, because it already came with a wide angle lens. When I'm in the gym, I've either got to put the camera absolutely miles away from me, or I've got to have a terrible angle, and I don't fit in frame because I want the camera still close to me. I don't want people banging into it or walking past it. Not that I'm bothered that people walk past the camera, it's just more for them. I don't want people to think, oh, I'm in a video, I don't know where this video is going to go, I don't know how many views it's going to get. So, and as well because the gym, a lot of people are nervous about the gym, so if it's someone who's new, I don't want to upset them. So anyway, the camera, I'm just playing around with it right now, this lens. I have no idea what I'm doing. I did do photography in school and I did pass, but I didn't really have a look at the cameras much. We had Canons, and although I did learn a lot about photography, I didn't really keep going with it because I just didn't want to do it as a career. But here I am, doing videography and vlogs. So here I am putting on the lens, and I was very gentle with this because I didn't want to do it too tight and ruin the camera before I've even used it. But the camera seems solid, I'm very happy with it. There's the case cover, just to put it back on the lens just so nothing bad happens. So we'll leave the camera over there and go through the rest of the accessories. Here is a micro SD card to USB port, so that I can obviously get the videos and put them into my laptop to edit like I'm doing now. But I have also got a micro SD card to SD card, or whatever it's called, I don't know the terminology. So I might use both really. I might keep one on me for like travel and one on me for when I'm at home. Then going into this little packet is the charging station, I guess. So I've got 2 batteries and I've plugged them in. It's a USB-C type of cable, so I can easily charge all my batteries and do vlogs for you guys. And here is one of the batteries. Get it out of the packet, put it in straight away. Yeah, that is a battery. There's not much to talk about batteries apart from they can run out of charge, and that is also another reason why I got another camera. The charging on my old camera, which I'm recording with right now, it's just not the best. It's not the best camera in the world. It does the job, but the battery is really weird on it, and you've got to charge it whilst it's plugged in, and the battery doesn't last that long. So yeah, I've got a new camera, as you can see, but here it is, close up, nice and neat, nice and tidy. I can have that down the side of my cupboard and charge it with this cable that they've gave me. So at least I'm getting more cables and wires, because you'd always need them. Now, this pouch had the microphone in, and another reason why I'm happy with this camera, it came with so much stuff. The microphone on my old camera was alright, and the microphone I'm using now to talk and do a voiceover does not connect to my camera for some reason. If it does, I have no idea how or why not. But this camera makes it look so much more professional, and I can hold this camera whilst it's plugged in if needed, or I can keep it on top of the camera. So here I am putting it in, and then twisting the dial, I guess, to secure it. And I'm absolutely made up. Look, I look like Roman Atwood, or your favourite vloggers. Look at me, I'm growing. Oh, I'm funny. I do enjoy it. I really do enjoy this YouTube malarkey. And I'm just getting used to making videos. I'm doing voiceovers now. I should start getting scripts. I'm at the point in the video where I'm just talking, because I enjoy talking to the camera. But it's when I've got to do a voiceover and I'm trying to be all smart. I need to start getting scripts, don't I, guys? But here's the micro SD card. Quite annoyingly, I bought a big SD card, like a normal size one, for my old camera. And now I don't really need it because I've got this one, but I will keep it in case I upgrade this camera again. Because I am thinking of returning this one in January, just because I can get all my money back and get another camera. I might just start doing that, keep upgrading very slowly, and then before I know it, I'll have the best camera in the world. But I'm coming up to the end of the video, and I'm just showing off the camera. It does have a 180 degrees screen, as you can see, so I can watch myself as a vlog, which is amazing. So I know if I'm in the middle of the frame, and if I know I am in frame. But with this lens, I definitely will be. I have tested it. I'll definitely be in frame. So anyway, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much. If you have watched this far, thank you. I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers so I can start doing live streams and make more content. So please like, subscribe, comment. It'll help the algorithm out. And be happy. Enjoy life. It's better than you think. Bye.